How are you?
Hello. Today Jay will read vowel I. Okay, Jay. Let's start. Let's start. Yes. Read.
L-I-P, lip.
Very good.
P-I-P, pip.
Very good.
S-I-P, slip.
Very good.
D-I-P, dip.
Very good.
Z-I-P, dip.
Very good.
F-I-D,
F-I-T.
fit.
Very good.
D-B-I-T, bit.
Very good.
S-I-T, sit.
Very good.
H-I-T, H-I-T,
Hit.
hit. T-I-T, tit.
Very good.
D-H-I-N, tin.
Very good.
F-I-G, F-I-G,
Fig.
fig. Z-I-P, dib.
Very good.
L-I-D, lid.
Very good.
D-R-E,
R-I-B.
R-I-B,
B.
B,
Rib.
lib. J-P-I-N, pin.
Very good. Very good.